तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दम् किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसी मकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषाम् संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वो. This is the land of divine love, the land of Shri Shri Radha and Krishna, the Dhamma in the Nama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The whole Dhamma, everybody in Dhamma, everything in Dhamma is present in this Nama. Cheto darpanamarchanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jeevanam Anandambudhivartanam Pratipadam Purna Vratasvadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vichayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. All Dhamma is here in the Nama. Namna Makari Bahudam Nijasarvashaktis Tatra Arpitani Amita Smaranena Kalam Etatrishin Tava Krupa Bhagavan Mamapi Durtaiva Mitrishamiha Janina Nurakaha. What is this? So our great fortune, Shri Guru and Gauranga, unbelievable fortune that we are, the Harinama is here. They gave us this Harinama so we can have entrance into this Dhamma. By having fond attachment to this Nama. Irreplaceable, inseparable attachment. The Pranavayu is so attached. It has to be attached to the body for the body to be alive. So to have that fond attachment to the Nama, so the Dhamma can be revealed. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Even a baby step in this direction, as indicated by Sri Sikshastakam. Even a baby step, even a thought of heading in that direction will cause Namabhasa. Quickly brings from Namaprada to Namabhasa. It means Namabhasa means sun is rising. The miseries will go away. All the troubles this mind is giving, all the confusion that was there, all the pain and misery will start to go away, even with a baby step in this direction. Oh, the Nama is here, Dhamma is here. And this is actually brought here to me, is given to me by Guru and Gauranga with that thought. And seeing that reality, moving even a baby step in that direction can mitigate all our miseries, can purify our intelligence. Just one ray of that is enough to prevent and solve all the problems in this world. The peace will come, the happiness will come. That's just with one ray of that. Oh, what to speak of the rest when there is a attachment to this Nama, when we start to honor the Nama. Vinadapi sunichena tarore vasa ishnu amani namanadena kirtaniya sada hari. Nadanam najanam na sundari kavitam vajagati shakamaye Mama janmani janmanishwari bhavatat bhaktya haitukitvai. And there is only one way to be the dust at the Nanda Tanuja Krishna's lotus feet. Through this nama. Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Shame Bhavam Budai. Kripayam Tava Pada Pankajastita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Done. Transfer from the material world to the spiritual realm as a saffron dust particle at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Then Nayanam Galada Shrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadarutaya Giram Pulakair Michikair Vapukada Tavanama Grihanam Bhavishyati Yugaitam Nimishena Chakshusha Pravarshyayitam Shunyaitam Jagat Sarvam Govinda Virahe Aslishya Pinastum Adarshanam Marmahatam Karovam Yada Tatha Vidadhatavulam Pato Matprananathastu Sayevana Paraha. Can see anything, can feel anything, can think of anything. There is nothing else existing other than Matprananathastu Sayevana Paraha. Krishna, 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 and Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarva Sreshta Nama Samkirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Paye Premantana. Premadana is right here. Atayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Here is our Dharma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान